guys, it's me, Lawrence Gaming TV. Today we're going to make a grilled cheese. So this is everything you need. Cheese, a pan, toast, and butter. And a microwave, of course, to toast your bread. So let's start by putting our toast in the toaster. And let's just do that. Let's get our pan and hold up. Okay, so now you just need to put it in high. And let's get our butter over. Oh shoot! Let's get our butter, everybody. Butter. I like butter. So let's get a big scoop of butter. Ooh, look at that. Ooh-wee. Better turn on the fan. You don't want the fire alarm to turn on. Oh shoot, there we go. So let's just, so while that's sizzling, look at that beauty. Oh, better mix it around. Hold up. My iPad. Woo! Is the toast ready? The toast is about to be ready. So let's put it on medium now. And come on, let the toast get up. So we're just gonna wait until the toast gets on. So why not just leave it on high? Let it sizzle. And let's put on medium. And let's get our toast. Shoot, I wasn't supposed to toast these. I gotta get 2 new pieces of bread. I am so dumb. So dumb. I'm not supposed to toast these. Huh. Gotta put it there. Oh shoot. Burn myself a little. Let's put the cheese. Hey, cheese. Cheese. I love cheese. Let's add 2 more slices of cheese, because that's all I have. Let me check if it's still recording. Yeah. Hold up, let me check. More. You know what I like doing? Getting some butter and just yep. It's nice, eh? I think that's enough butter for today. Hold up, let me check. Is it good? Nope. Just a little more. I'll get my spatula. Where is it? I'll use this. No. Plastic. I'll use this, everybody. Oh, shoot, it's not closing. Now it is. Is it good? So we're just gonna wait a while until the bottom is good. Because right now the bottom's good. It's just we gotta make the cheese melted. Actually, no. I'm gonna flip it now. That's a good cheese. Should we get some butter? I'm gonna get a little bit of butter, a little butter to, a little too much butter to it. Oh, that's crispy. That's a crispy boy. That's a crispy boy, eh? So we just have to wait for a little bit until the other side is also crunchy like this. And actually, hold up. I want to try an experiment. Oh shoot, I can't. Hold up. What should I do with these bread? I accidentally put these in the toaster. We're not allowed to do that here. Well, I guess we are. It's just I don't want to do that. Too late. So it looks like I gotta get my frosted flakes bowl and put it in the fridge, just in case. Oh, the boy's sizzling. I'm gonna get a plate because I love a plate. This is the plate we're using, everybody. Yep. And the knife we're using, it's kind of dangerous. But do I care? No. Oh. Ouch. Yep. Never touch the pan. That's a lesson I learned. Let's put our grilled cheese here. Let's turn this boy off. And I think we're done cooking. Let's just put this thing here. Where should I put it? I'm just gonna leave it here for now. And let's cut our grilled cheese sandwich. It's kind of hard doing this. Hold up. I don't know what I'm... Cheese pull. That was a bad one. And that's how you make your grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, that's good. I would recommend.